Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download the WhatsApp application via the whatsapp.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Go to your homepage and then you should scroll down until you find this download button, so tap on it and then you should select one of these options. So if you would like to download it for your Android mobile or tablet, you should select this first option. If you would like to download it to your iOS phone, tap on the second option. And if you would like to download it for your desktop Mac laptop, you should tap on the download button and then you should tap on allow, and as you can see it's being downloaded. So tap on this button and click on it. As you can see, the file is being opened, so in a few seconds you will be able to open the application once it is downloaded completely. It is almost done, as you can see on the slide. So here it is. You should tap on it and place it to this application's file. As you can see, it's being copied to the applications, which might take a few seconds. It is almost done. So now it has been added to the application. So if you open it, you will be able to find it here. So tap on it and then you will be able to register and use the WhatsApp application. So tap on open and you will be ready to use it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.